Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you, AAA Travel Advantage Visa Signature Credit Card Review. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you're trying to find a solid way to slash your gas bills, the AAA Travel Advantage card is honestly one of the best kept secrets out there right now. Now, most people completely skip past it because they assume you have to be a card carrying a AAA member to apply, but that is a total myth. Now, anyone can grab it for absolutely zero annual fee. Now, the headline feature here is that it gives you a flat 5% cashback on gas and electric vehicle charging stations. Now, in a credit world where premium cards make you jump through hoops or pay massive fees, getting 5% back on fuel for free is a huge win. Now, just keep an eye for the fine print though. That 5% here is capped at $350 of pure cashback per calendar year. Now, which means once you spend $700 on gas on a single year, your earnings drop down to a basic 1%. So for most normal drivers and daily commuters here, though, that cap is plenty high enough to cover all year long here. Now, beyond the pump, it hands you a clean 3% cash back on grocery stores, restaurants, and travel bookings with zero foreign transaction fees if you cross the border. Now, of course, no card is going to be perfect. Now, this one has a few quirks that you may want to know. The first is you are entirely at the mercy of merchant category codes. Now, if you buy your gas at a wholesale club like Costco or Sam's Club, it will probably code as a wholesale purchase instead of a gas station, dropping your reward from 5% down to just 1%. Also, the sign up bonus is pretty small, just $100 back after you spend thousands in your first 90 days. And because it's issued by Community Bank here, their mobile app can feel a bit bare bones and kind of clunky compared to the polished tech you get with major players like Chase or even AMX here. But at the end of the day, if your goal is pure cash optimization on your daily drive, it is absolutely worth the slot in your wallet. Now, it's just a low maintenance, high yield tool that quietly shaves money off your fuel bill and grocery tabs, putting hundreds of dollars back into your pocket just for running your normal daily routine. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.